Welcome to Admin Automation. Today we are going to discuss about the analog binary alarms in the Delta DOP soft. Welcome all. Today I'm going to show you how to create an analog alarm in the Delta HMI. First thing first, we have to go to the options and go to the alarm setup. While getting the alarm setup, we have to give an address that has to be triggered the alarms. So I'm using an internal memory as $0, and this word address should be triggering the alarms, and the scan time should be 1 second I'm using, and alarm moving sign I'm making it enable, and the position will be at the bottom. And these are the normal configuration for the alarm moving sign and the alarm logs, and have to deselect all these alarms by clicking the up position, and I'm selecting only 3 alarms or the 3 numbers. You can see I'm just adding the group numbers as 1. I'm giving the same group address for the 3 alarms. I'm just showing this will be the alarm 1, this will be alarm 2, and this will be alarm 4. Sorry, alarm 3. And I'm making the colors as red for the first one, blue for the second one, and green for the last one. So this is not the alarms working under 1, 2, 3. This will be a binary alarms. This binary can be explained through this. You can see 1, 2, 4, 8. This is the binary corresponding powers. I'm just using up to the 4th position. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. These are the 3 positions. And by the changing the binary, the first thing will be 1. When the 1 has to be triggered to the $0, then alarm 1 will be present. When 2 is triggered, 10 means 2. Alarm 2 will be present. When 3 is triggered, 1 and 2 will be the bits. Or you can see 1, 1. This will be 1 and 2. These 2 bits will be present, and alarm 1 and 2 will be triggered. Like this, we are watching in the binary format, and we can just hit OK and put the corresponding things for the alarms. You can see here the alarm. First thing is the alarm history table I'm using here. This will be my alarm history table. Another one will be active alarm list. I'm placing it right here. This will be the active alarm list. And last one, alarm frequency table. The alarm history table shows the number of alarms present on and off. This will be the data logging, and this will be the current alarm list, and this is the frequency table. That means how many times the alarms has been triggered, and you can see the number of counts that alarm triggered. And you can put a numerical entry right here, just drawing a numerical entry for giving the values to the alarm, and I'm naming it as $0. That address that I have given to the normal alarms, which will be $0. Sorry, and OK and OK. And this will be the alarm frequency table, and I have to give the group ID. I'm just giving 1, and here also I'm just giving the group ID as 1. On all the alarm tables, I'm just giving the group ID. I can give up to numerous times, up to 32,000, because I have a lot of alarms in my alarm loop. And now we can go for a runtime. I can go for the offline simulation. We have that I have to go and compile this view, and if there is any errors, that will be mentioned here. There will be no errors, and we can go to simulate the runtime. And you can see the current value of the $0 or the memory bit that I have used internally is 0 now, and I'm just going to give the value 1 through the numeric display. So hit the enter 1. You can see the alarm 1 will be triggered because the O symbol shows the present alarm. Okay, this will be activated right now, and the alarm 1. This is the alarm history table, and this is the current alarm list. And I can show you when the value 1 is appearing. When the value 1 is appearing, the first alarm. This will be the first alarm that will be triggered. And I'm going to show you 2. When I'm making it 2. The second alarm is triggered. The cross symbol shows the alarm 1 has been deactivated right now, and the current alarm is alarm 2. You can see the alarm 2 as the current alarm, and alarm 1 and alarm 2 comes at a single time. This is the alarm frequency table. This is how many times the alarm has been appeared. It will be shown in the alarm frequency table. You can see the value will be 2 because 1 0. 1 represents for the alarm 1, the second one represents for the alarm 2. When I am giving the alarm 3, or number of the value should be 3, the alarms 1 and 2 will be present because it is in the binary format 1 and 1. The first one is alarm 1, alarm 2 and alarm 3. So I am making it 3. You can see the alarm 2 and alarm 1 are present. You can see the alarm 1 and alarm 2 are present in the alarm current alarm list table, and also you can see in the historical table. You can see there is no alarm 1 is not stopping, alarm 2 is not stopping, it is keep there, and you can see the alarm 1 triggered 2 times and alarm 1 triggered single times. 2 plus 1 it is 3, and you can see the moving signs below the screen. And I'm making it the other numbers right here, 2 3 4. I'm using the alarm 3. I'm getting the alarm 3 right now, and you can see alarm 1 and 2 has been deactivated, and you can see the alarm 3 again triggered 1 time, and the value should be, the current alarm log will be alarm 3, which will be moving in the green label, and making it 5. I'm making it 5. You can see the value is now alarm 1 and 3, because in the 5 you can see 1 0 1. This is the alarm 3. There is no alarm 2 and alarm 1. 1 and 3 will be present, and you can see 1 and 3 is present right here, and making it 6. Now it is 2 and 3 is present. While watching the 6, you can see 3 and 2 is present. 3 and 2 is present on the alarm current alarm table, and making it 7. You can see all the alarms will be present. All the alarms will be present, and the number of times that alarm has been triggered in binary is 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7. Up to 7 I can give. If I am giving the 8, there will be no alarms because I didn't configure the 8th number, because I just used only 3 bits. While making it 8, there will be no alarms. Okay, all the alarms are deactivated right now. This is the alarm logging in the Delta WPL soft. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.